Well, IIT Delhi faculty president has told NewsX that they are trying to protect the students' interests by conducting a separate entrance examination as they announced yesterday, and this of course is in clear This of course is not in line with what the HRD Minister Kapil Sibal has said about the common entrance test from 2013 onwards. And in fact, the IIT Delhi faculty telling us that their main issue is the timing of the decision, which is to be implemented in 2013.
Basically, if you realize now, there is not much time left because the next exam has to be in April of 2013. The children of this nation are waiting what is going to happen, and since we are very sure that whatever has officially come out is something which is not acceptable to the Senate of IIT Delhi, the IIT Delhi Senate has decided that we will conduct the exam as we had conducted in 2012. And for that, if IIT Kanpur goes with us, we will go with them. If other IITs join, take a similar stand, we will join together and conduct the exam. We have been doing this exam for 50 years. It is definitely not acceptable to the Senate of IIT Delhi, the formula which Mr. Sibal has proposed, or which the IIT Council, I'm sorry, I shouldn't be saying the Minister, which the IIT Council has proposed. Even when we talked to the Prime Minister, most time was spent on saying that the speed at which this is being done without thinking of the proper consequences. So 2013 was the sticking issue. So I hope if he rolls back on that, we have no problems. We have enough time to work for 2014, and by December of this year, all IITs will sit down and give a proper solution. Meanwhile, see, these decisions which we are taking should not be seen as something, doing something against the Prime Minister's wishes or anything like that. We had to take these decisions because otherwise time is running out. That these IITs, whichever is coming out, what people are calling as revolt, they will not conduct separate exams for each IIT. As I told you, Kanpur and Delhi, as of now, they will join hands together. So suppose if Bombay or Kharagpur, whichever IIT joins, it will be a common exam. So it will be like the classic JEE which they had. And now maybe there is a new JEE. So it's just one more exam. But we will conduct it most likely in the same way as it was in 2012. So children who have been preparing, keeping this pattern, we don't want them to be affected.